Alright guys, you are welcome to the Crypto Niche channel, and today we are going to be providing liquidity on DEX. DEX means decentralized exchange. Okay, so in this channel I share a lot of insightful videos that can improve your financial life as soon as possible. I make video about bounty, I make video about things you can do to improve your chances of getting jobs in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. I also make videos about DEX, about swaps, and just anything, okay, about on crypto. I make video about universal basic income, how you can earn passive income for life. Okay, this is what this channel is all about. I want you to subscribe on the channel, like this video, make a comment down below, and ask me any question about anything that is not clear to you in this video. Okay, and if you understand everything I've said, you may just type crypto niche, below the video, so that I will know that right now you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so really quick, let's move forward to this platform. This is the Uniswap DEX. Okay, so when you click on test UI to take you to this page. So once you get to this page, in the previous video we analyzed the difference between Pancake and Julswap. Okay, so if you're providing liquidity that is a stable coin, we reached a conclusion based on our research in our previous video that it makes sense to provide liquidity on Julswap, which is stable coin, than doing so on Pancakeswap. And the result is obvious. It is so obvious that you can make times 2.6 of what you can make on Julswap, times 2.6 of what you can get on Pancakeswap. Okay, so the difference is wide. The difference is too big to be ignored. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I transferred quite a number of coins here. Let me say tokens. Okay, so this is Theta USDT. This is also BUSD. Okay, I made it 1:1. So here we have 1.001 of BUSD and we have 1.001 of BUSDT and USDT here. Okay, so now we want to go back to the DEX and provide liquidity accordingly. So right now there are over $800,000 worth of liquidity on Julswap right now, and we have 1,317 fee has been paid to liquidity provider in the last couple of hours, like 24 hours ago, and the daily volume here is over $400,000. Okay, so this is the kind of platform that you want to provide liquidity. So if you come here, you discover that there is over $50 million worth of liquidity here, and the 24 hours volume is just $13.3 million, and this is the fee that will be shared among the liquidity providers on this platform in 24 hours. Okay, so if you pay attention, you discover that the volume here is not even up to 50%, it's not even up to 40% of the liquidity that has been provided on this platform. So but when you check this, you discover that here the volume, the 24 hours volume, is more than 50% of the total liquidity in this space. So this is an opportunity for you as a liquidity provider, and you want to take a massive advantage of this. Okay, so that's exactly what we are going to be doing now. We're going to be adding liquidity to this pool. Okay, so you come here and click on add liquidity. So we already have BNB to cover up for the gas fee. Okay, so I'm going to come here, set my slippage to 0.5%. that is decent enough. Let me check. Transaction decline, don't pay for that. Okay, so now I'm going to click on max. Okay, if that is the case, let me switch to this USDT here. Okay, let me make this USDT. I'm not trying to swap, I'm trying to provide liquidity. So let me select the token here, BUSD. Okay, let me change this to BUSD, change this to USDT. So we are going to be losing about $3, which is not bad. Okay, so I'm going to approve liquidity here. I'm going to approve liquidity right now for BUSD. Okay, so USDT, BUSD pair. So let me approve liquidity for that. So approve for BUSD. Okay, so we have gas fee. So if I should approve this, it means that we have 0.24%, share in this pool. Okay, so since we have that, it means that if this is constant in the next 24 hours, there's a high probability that this is what we are going to be getting on this platform. That will be one. Let me check again. Okay, let me copy this and come here to have an estimate of what we are going to be getting. Okay, so I'm going to paste this, multiply by 0. Let me copy this, 0.2. As a matter of fact, any pool that will not give me up to 0.1% share, I'm not going to be comfortable with that. Okay, so multiply by this. Okay, so no, that's a mistake from our side. Okay, 0.24, since it is in percentage, divided by 100. Okay, so that is what we have in this pool. Then multiplied by, let me confirm this again, multiplied by 1317. So you want to click on this and copy it and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. So what's the answer? So it means that approximately in every 24 hours, all things being equal, should be having $3.16 every 24 hours. Okay, that's massive. So I'm going to come here and add the liquidity. Okay, I'm going to approve this. I'm going to approve this. Okay, and pay this as gas fee. So is it confirmed? Okay, 0 confirmed, and I'll click on approve. I'll click on approve and I'll confirm it again, because on DEX you pay fee like both ways. Okay, where is my transactions rejected? I don't know. Okay, one is confirmed. So if it is confirmed, so next thing is to supply that liquidity on the DEX. Okay, we made a mistake there. The mistake we made was that we made two different transactions. Okay, so I'm going to supply liquidity, and I'm going to come here and click on supply. So they're going to give me 887.079, as the pool token. It's not something you can spend actually, but that's just a pool token. So I'm going to confirm this. So I'll be seeing the pool token right there in my DEX account. So we are still waiting for this. It is still waiting for confirmation. Confirmed. So transaction has been submitted. Okay, so let's see for ourselves if truly we are on this platform. Okay, on this platform. So the new balance in USDT is 2.18, and I have 0 BUSD in my balance at the moment. So this is what we have, guys. We've been able to provide liquidity on this platform, and our token right now is 887. Okay, 887. So I'm going to write this down, or let me say I'm going to take a screenshot of this, and the next 1 month I'll be coming back here to create a video and share with you on this channel. Okay, so again, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Also, don't forget to ask me any question regarding providing liquidity on DEX. Okay, so the beauty about providing liquidity with a stable coin is that stable coins they are pegged with dollars. Okay, so the risk of having impermanent loss is low if you are providing liquidity with stable coins. Okay, So this is the reason why I'm doing this at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to take a snapshot of this and see if I'm going to make any profit out of this in the next 30 days. So see you guys in the next tutorial, which is going to be focused on comparing liquidity ROI on the Binance Smart Chain and the Echo Smart Chain. So see you guys and have a blessed day.